Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also name 3D cell range references. As we learned in the previous chapter, a 3D cell range reference is one cell range reference that spans through multiple worksheets. As long as the cell range reference is the same for all the referenced worksheets, you can name it. Then it too can be used in formulas in place of typical 3D cell range references. To do this, click the Define Name button in the Defined Names button group on the Formulas tab of the ribbon. Doing this then opens the New Name dialog box. In the name field, enter the name for the 3D cell range. Remember, there are no spaces allowed in range names. Also, ensure the Scope drop-down is set to Workbook. In the Refers to field, click the Collapse dialog button at its right end. Then click the Worksheet Name tab of the first sheet in the 3D cell range. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click the Worksheet Name tab of the last worksheet to include in the 3D cell range reference. Then release the Shift key. Once the worksheet group is selected, then click and drag over the cells in the worksheet to use as the 3D cell range reference. Then click the Expand Dialog button at the right end of the Refers to field again to expand the dialog box. In the New Name dialog box, then click the OK button to create the 3D named range. Note that you cannot select this range name from the name box, and this is because when you select a range name from the name box, it selects the cells in the named range. It's impossible to select the cells from multiple sheets in a single window, so you cannot access it through the name box. You may, however, use it as a substitute for 3D cell range references in your 3D formulas.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.